Good morning, Facebook. This is your local meteorologist, Captain Toby, coming to you live from Rockwall, Texas. And this morning I am not doing a weather forecast. I am doing a Bhut Jolokia chili pepper challenge. Now, just so you know, this is considered one of the hottest peppers out there. Hotter than the ghost pepper. And I am challenging Adam Zamora and David McDonald. If you have the guts to do it, then do so. If not, we will find out. I am going to take half a bite and you get to watch the reaction afterwards. So, in 3, 2, 1. It's hot.
Should have chewed it for a little bit longer.
I should. No. Oh, I'm getting hiccups. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. I can't stop burping. Oh, hiccups. That didn't help.
Yeah, the cheese is in there.
Oh my God. Oh God.
Oh my God.
I am trying not to cuss. Trust me, I am trying not to. Please work.
Oh my goodness. That was only like what? That's not even into well of the seeds either. Wait.
That's how much is left.
Yeah, and yeah.
That was half a bite. I showed you how big it was.
That and the bottom part of that has got the seeds in it. Damn it! God dang it!
Wow. Please work. Oh my God. Now, just to inform you, if you do not know, ghost peppers are considered to be very hot. Take your breath away. Well, these are a hybrid version of the ghost peppers. People have gone to the hospital because they couldn't catch their breath.
Is it working at all? A little bit.
It is cheese slightly does work. It's helping. I looked it up online to see what were the best remedies for it. And cheese was mentioned because of the oils in the cheese mixed with the oils in the pepper will soothe. Oh, Jesus. Mother Mary, oh God, Goddess, Great Spirit, Wonkin Tonkin, Zeus, Odin, Thor. Oh my God. That is literally the hottest pepper I have ever bitten into. And I guarantee you tomorrow, I'll be singing soprano. The cheese is helping. So for those of you that want to know how to tame the fire in your mouth, it's helping. I got me 3 cheese sticks. My God. I should have gotten a block of cheese. I'd eat half that dang thing.
I got about 6. I think my card's almost full.
Okay.
Bid you adieu.
The cheese is helping. David and Adam, if you're man enough, I challenge you. And anyone else that sees this on Facebook, I challenge them. Have a good night. This is your local meteorologist, Captain Toby, signing out.